Hi, my name is Yao and I teach the Asante dialect of the Akan language online. I welcome you to lesson 1 of the Chi grammar course, the course that teaches you the basic grammar rules of this beautiful and most spoken indigenous language of the people of Ghana. In this lesson, we take a look at the Akan alphabet. How solid your knowledge of the letters of the alphabet and their corresponding sounds will reflect in how well your writings and speech will be later. I therefore entreat everyone to take this lesson very seriously. You will find a text version of this lesson on www.learnakan.com. I will leave a direct link to it in the description box below the video. The lesson is divided into 3 parts. First, we will run through the letters of the alphabet. Then, we proceed to look at the consonants. Finally, we look at the vowels. With each letter of the alphabet, we'll try to give at least one word example. Okay, let's begin with the letters of the alphabet. A total of 22 letters make up the Akan alphabet. These 22 letters are made up of 15 consonants and 7 vowels. 15 consonants, 7 vowels. In Chi, consonants are referred to as e, num, nye, jie, num, nye, jie, num, nye, jie. And vowels are referred to as ene, nye, jie, ene, nye, jie, ene, nye, jie. Now, let's recite the letters of the alphabet. A, B, D, I, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, Y. Let's go over them one more time. A, B, D, I, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, Y. If you noticed, only 2 letters found in the Akan alphabet are not present in the English alphabet. Can you point those 2 out? Good. They are E and O. E and O. Likewise, we do not have the letters C, J, Q, V, X, and Z that you find in the English alphabet in the Akan alphabet. Alright then, let's move straight to the second part of the lesson, the consonants. As mentioned earlier, the Akan alphabet has 15 consonants in all. So we have B, D, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, and ye. Let's try going over them while giving word examples of each. B, banche, banche, banche. Ba, ye, re, bayre, bayre. D, da, die, dadie, dadie. Da, dwa, dadwa, dadwa. F, fita, fita, fita. Fu, fuo, fufuo, fufuo. Franca, franca, franca. G, go, go, go. Gu, gu, gu. H, hu, ri, hri, hri. Hu, nu, hunu, hunu. K, can, tang, kentang, kentang. Ku, ru, wa, krua, krua. Lorry, lorry, lorry. Ludu, ludu, ludu. Mukase, mukase, mukase. And the Chi name for cocoyam is pronounced menking, menking, menking. Sa, nsa. Nante, nante, nante. P, pen, toi, pentois, pentois. Pra, ye, praye, praye. Her, chi, re, tre, tre. Pra, pra, pra. S, sa, mi, na, samina, samina. Sa, po, sapo, sapo. Ts, te, chi, re, ma, techrema, techrema. Ta, fe, re, tafre, tafre. W, a, wa. Rie, awarie, awarie. Rie, rie, rie. Ye, ya, rie, ya, rie, ya, rie, ya, rie. Yo, ma, yoma, yoma. Now the last part of our lesson, the vowels. We have 7 vowels in all. They are a, I, e, I, U, O, and U. Some word examples. A, de, swa, adeswa, adeswa. A, kon, ma, akoma, akoma. E, fie, efie, efie. E, ku, ru, ekru, ekru, dom, edom, edom, kom, ekom, ekom, e, din, edin, edin, di, o, sio, osio, o, pu, ro, opro, o, wo, owo, o, se, bo, osebo, u, wu, kua, da, wukuada, su, ku, suku. And this is where we end the first lesson. In our next lesson, we will talk about digraphs and diphthongs. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and liking our Facebook page. We will also appreciate it if you subscribe to our blog www.learnakan.com. Thank you for watching.